Assalamualaikum. I am M. Ashikur Rahman from Computer Science and Engineering Department, and my course is Cybersecurity Law and Ethics, and the course code is CSE 487 and the section is 2. Our task is to configuration of certification authority and implementation transport layer security over HTTP. For that we will need some OpenSSL commands, and I have written the commands here. I have written the necessary commands here. The first command will generate a 2048-bit RSA private key. Before executing this commands, we will need a folder here, which I already created, CSE 487 mini project 1. So by using terminal, I will go to this directory now. I will make the terminal little bit bigger so that we can see easily. Now I am going to the directory now. Now I am in this directory, CSE 487 mini project 1. Now I will execute this command to generate a 2048-bit RSA private key. Here is the command. Copy paste. It's asking for a password. I am giving the password here, and the execution is completed. We can see that rootca.key file is generated here, which is the RSA private key, and here is the content of this file. So now we will execute the second command, which will generate a self-signed certificate, which is actually the root certificate. So we are executing this command. We will have to enter the password. Now we have to enter the country name, which is only 2-letter code, so it can be BD. State can be Dhaka. It also can be Dhaka. Organization name can be my company. Organizational unit can be IT. Common name can be Ashikur 2000, and email address can be any email address. This is also completed, and we can see that rootca.tem file has created here, and the content is given here. Now before going to the next command, we have to create a server.csrcnf file. So for time limitation, I have created this file before, so I am just copy pasting that file from another directory to this directory. Here is the file. If we want to see the content of this file, we can see here the information we have given in the second command are mentioned here, and company should be my company, and that's it. Now we can execute this command. And the command is successfully executed, and we can see that server.csr, server key, etc. are generated. So now before going to the last command, to generate a certificate file, we have to a v3.ext file. So for time limitation and simplicity, I have already created this file in my another folder, and I am just copy pasting this. And if we go to this content of this file, we can see that some alternative names are given here, like myexample.com, sub myexample.com, and localhost. All are the alternative names of our website. Now as we created our v3.ext file, now we will execute the last command in our terminal. We have to give the password. It's completed. So now if we go to the directory, we can see our certificate server.crt. So for that, to trust this in our website, So we'll need a website to complete our task. For that we will need some dependencies, and I will use the node.js here. So these three commands should be executed for creating the dependencies. I will execute this one by one. Executed successfully. Now this command, this will take some time. It's executed successfully, and now we have to install the EJS, which is actually the HTML file of Node. It's installed successfully. Now we will go to the package.json. Here we have to change a little bit, like test will be start, and in this quotation will be node app.js. Here app.js is our website file, and where the port will be mentioned and server key and others will be mentioned there. So we will pick that app.js file from our previously work file, so we can save our time. Here is the app.js. We are just copy pasting this, and if we want to see the file of the content, then we can see that it's just rendering a home.ejs file, which is actually a HTML file, you can say, and the server key and server CRT also mentioned here, and the port number also given. So we will need the home.ejs, so we can see our website. So for that we have a folder called views. We just copying it and pasting here. In this views we have the home.ejs file, and we can see here home.ejs file is just simple HTML file. Now if we want to execute our website, we have to write node app.js. The localhost is here. We can just browse it using the port number we have given 8000. Here we can see that it's not secure, and here written the connection is not private. And if we proceed it in unsafe way, we can see that we can see our website, but it's not secure. If you click here, it's written that your connection is to this site is not secure, and certificate is not valid. If we go to the certificate, we can see localhost certificate is not trusted, and our created certificate is here, but it's not trusted. So we have to make it trust by this browser or the PC. So for that we have to go to the directory now. Here is the directory we have created, and here is the server.crt. We have to just double click it, and the keychain.access will be executed, and in the last we can see that our created certificate. And if we double click this, we can see that localhost certificate is not trusted yet, and here the common name which is created now. And if we want to trust it, then we have to click the trust. Then we have to make it always trust to this. When using this certificate, we have to make it just always trust, then just cross it and save it. Now you can see that this certificate is marked as trusted for this account. So if we now go to our website and refresh, we can see that the lock is here. No secure return is gone. Now it's written that connection is secure, and the certificate is valid, and the issuer and other necessary things are given here, and also written that this certificate is marked as trusted for this account, and details also given here, which details we written in our commands. Here is the Ashiku 2000, here is the Gmail, organization name, unit name, locality, country, etc. So we have completed our task successfully by enabling the padlock. Thank you.